Um, Hello, friends. Today we are going to talk about why coding is important. We should learn coding and how much salary the coder get. That is software developer. Okay. So why coding? So you can see this coding is the literacy of the 21st century. So now in 21st century we should learn this. ठीक है हमको सबको ये जानना चाहिए कोडिंग एग्जैक्टली होता क्या है, प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज क्या है, सॉफ्टवेयर क्या है। आजकल बहुत सारे हैं कोडिंग इंस्टीट्यूट, दे आर गेटिंग पॉपुलर। ओके, जैसे कि देर इज़ वाइट हैट जूनियर एंड मेनी मोर आर देयर एक्चुअली, but it got very much popular because of some scam and all. Then coding is already in the school curriculum for the many countries. Soon everyone will need understand the basic of the coding, right? So ये सारी चीज़ें even it's happening in the Indian government. हम ये सारी चीज़ें implement कर रहे हैं। Coders are the architect of the future. So ये एक चीज़ है जो इन जनरल बोली जाती है, बट मैं आपको बताता हूँ एग्जैक्टली है क्या और क्यों हमको कोडिंग करनी चाहिए। नाउ हियर यू कैन सी दैट पीपल आर देयर इन फ्रंट ऑफ द लैपटॉप बैठ के कुछ कर रहे हैं। सो मेनी लाइंस ऑफ कोड यू कैन सी हियर। दिस इज पर्सन स्टैंडिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ द लैपटॉप, कुछ कर रहा है, और यहाँ पे कैन सी द कोड्स लाइंस आर देयर ऑन द प्रोजेक्टर स्क्रीन। सो yeah, now here these are some of the examples where you can see this. There's an example of programming or the coding languages. Uh, they are the list of, you can say, the popular programming languages which are available in the market, right? So the question is, should we learn all the programming languages or what exactly? Okay, but right now we'll just understand like these are the programming languages which are available. We'll talk on those topic like which programming language and why and the things later on. Okay, but you'll just assume that you just keep in mind that these are the list of the programming language also. And again you can see these are some of the popular languages. Your person is sitting in front of this and trying to do something on multiple screens. Okay, क्या हमको भी इतने सारे स्क्रीन पे साथ में काम करना पड़ेगा? राइट, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट यू जस्ट टेक वन लैपटॉप और जो भी आपके पास है उसके थ्रू करो। Okay, now coding is important because coding for college and career readiness. Okay, in order, what is career readiness? Career readiness as in जब आप कोई कंपनी ज्वाइन करने जा रहे हो या फिर आपका करियर स्टार्टअप करने जा रहे हो एंड यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन द सॉफ्टवेयर एंड डेवलपमेंट, दैट्स आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्राइटेरिया। पता चला आपको इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है इसमें एंड यू हैव जस्ट into this, so that's not good. Just find yourself whether you are interested or not, right? So वो चीज़ कब करते हैं, कब करनी चाहिए, which standard will be good enough to start with the coding, right? ये सारे questions हैं जो आपको सर्च करने पड़ेंगे। Now I am going to talk which will just in invoke your interest। आपका interest उसमें it will definitely उसमें जगाएगा कि why हमको, why we should go with the coding and all, why will we should become software developer। So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो these are the different positions which are available. Starts from web designer, then technician, testing engineer, system admin, software developer, data analyst, ERP consultant, database, system security, ERP, CRM. These all are related with the coding. Okay, these all are related with the development, software development, coding, or the programming language and all, right? And so basically we can get started from here, 3.75 lakhs per annum. Okay, this is one average salary given by the Naukri.com. You can get this. I have taken this from there only. So web designer this much, customer support technician 4.5 lakhs per annum. Okay, just keep on going up, and software developer they belong somewhere here. Okay, so it's not like that in order to become one of this the coding is not important or something like that. You'll have to become, start with the designer, the coder, the software developer, and the companies they have internally, they will promote the people on different levels and based on your skills आपको क्या आता है क्या नहीं आता है। So this is it goes, right? ये और this also will keep on incrementing, like suppose you are software developer, आप 6 साल 8 साल बाद 9 साल बाद the salary goes up, धीरे धीरे वो ग्रोथ करता है, ठीक है। So these are the different profiles which are available, and this is an average salaries. Okay, what people are getting. Okay, और यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं कि ये 3.75 से शुरू होगा, it can be a bit less as well. और सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर everyone is not getting this much. Okay, कुछ लोग उससे और कम 3 lakhs या फिर 2.5, बट स्टैंडर्ड 3.4 3.5 lakhs at least. जो स्टैंडर्ड मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज है, कैपजेमिनी, एक्सेंचर, एल&टी इन्फोटेक, LTI, or so many other TCS, and many more companies are there. Many companies are coming from the foreign based locations. They also pay good enough amount, right? So this is how and why it attracts. Okay, so this salary structure is the thing which attracts you. Okay, generally for this to become software developer or to jump into all this, so generally the trend is you have to learn the programming language and you should be graduate. Okay, so the maximum people, they come from the engineering or the BSc IT background. Okay, they will get opportunity for this. So वो हिसाब से आपको जो भी एजुकेशन है, 10th के बाद क्या करना है, 12th के बाद क्या करना है, वो सारी चीज़ें आपको प्लान करनी होंगी. तो यू कैन टेक advice from the senior, or maybe we'll keep on updating on this slowly and gradually. Okay, so this is all about the salary structure and the basic glimpse of the coding and why the coding is there, right? So thank you, and if you have got any question, any queries, so you can just ask us, comment us, right? So all the best. Start your thinking about the coding and software field. It's a great opportunity or great thing to work and think like a software developer, work like a software developer, and get started with the career into the IT industry. Okay, thank you. Bye.